Guys, so in this video I will show you the answer for the question given in the open learning. So make sure that you have written down all of the coding given in your code block. So this is the coding. So when you write down all of the statements and then you build and run this, you only get the display. Oops, sorry, I have an error there. Okay, let's do it again. So the pop-up window will ask you to enter mark. So based on the question, you are asked to enter mark start from 9 for the first iteration, and then the second one will be 8, followed by 5, 6, and the last one will be 2. So it will display the average mark for the class, which is 6. However, based on my question, you are asked to fill up the table. So inside the table, you have to fill up the total and also the counter. But unfortunately, inside this coding, there's only two display. The first one is asking the user to key in the mark, and the last one is calculating the average. So how are we going to display the total and the counter? So in order for you to display the total and the counter, you can just add your own printf. For example, you want to display the counter, so make sure the printf function is after the counter. So for the total is after the total statement. So below the total statement, I will write down the printf to display the total. Make sure you put the \n, so you know that it will be arranged accordingly. So total, and don't forget your semicolon every each of the statement. Okay, so followed by the counter. Right, so I just add another 2 display below the total statement and the counter statement in order for the programming to display both of it, total and counter, as requested in your question. So make sure you close this window first before you rerun again your coding. Okay, so the programming asks you to enter the mark, so you just key in the mark given in the question, which is the first one is 9. So the total will be 9 and the counter will be 1. So note that the counter is actually the iteration, the first iteration, so the first counter, so it called 1, so the first one. So the second one will be 8. So now your total now changed to 17, and it is for the counter 2 or the second counter or the second iteration. So followed by 5, so you'll find out that the total will be 23 and the counter is 3, and then 6, so the total becomes 28, and then the last mark will be 2, so the total will be 30, and the last counter is 5 or the 5th. So the class average is still the same, just calculating the average, so the average mark is 6 in this class. So this is the answer for you to fill up the table given in the open learning. So thank you.